Welcome back to Red Button Journal. Here we are going into the community of Mount Salus. I think it's how it's pronounced, Solace. I'll stop and ask somebody if I see him. Madge is home under the weather, so she won't be along today, unfortunately. But I really looking forward to this, and if you look down the road, you'll see I don't know what I'm going into. It's just like a tunnel of bamboo, and this isn't even like the bamboo place that's over on the other side of the island. Okay, here we go. Look at that. 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 Madge, it's too bad you're under the weather because you're missing out on this. This is absolutely gorgeous. I'm going through this bamboo area. Oh, yes, indeed. I'm going to go out around these holes so I don't get a puncture. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that down there. Oh, my goodness. I don't know what kind of tree that is. Wow, the draw here. Look at that draw that goes down through there. Wow. Well, just enjoy the scenery, people. I'm still a little under the weather. I last night I started to feel better, and so I sat up with Madge while she sat sleeping in front of the TV. And then when I got up this morning, I felt really good. And then all of a sudden I just started sweating and sweating and sweating. So hopefully I'm sweating out whatever this nastiness is that we had. But she's still not doing well. She's not feeling better. She acts like she might be feeling a little bit better, but not near like she wants to. Not near like she wants to. If this doesn't make you want to come to Jamaica and just find a little back road somewhere and just drive down it, nothing will. Nothing will. You know, this has kind of become a garbage dump right here on the corner, which is really a shame. You know, the people, sometimes the people who live here, and the beauty of all this, they don't actually realize, you know, they don't realize the beauty that they have. They don't realize how special it is here. Well, let's see here. Do I go up or down? Well, I'm not sure, but I think I'm going to go down. Worst case scenario, I'll drive back up. That kind of looks like a wall up there, like maybe that's somebody's house. So, ooh, a big hole here. Yeah, this seems like this is the road. It seems like this is the road right here. Wow. Yeah, this is the road. Somebody lives up there probably. Somebody lives up there probably. Wow. This is just, you know, this is true Jamaica. Now, there's no people here, which having people here would really add a lot. Okay, we're coming into some sort of a community up here, it looks like, which I think is Mount Salus, but we're going to see if we spot anybody, and we're going to ask them if they're willing to be on camera, and what the name of the place is. Look at the mango just laying on the road. Just thick. Oh, Mackie there. What's the name of this town?
Mount Salus.
Mount Salus.
Yeah.
That's how it's pronounced, Salus.
Yeah.
Okay.
You're just passing through.
Yeah, I came from Smoky Vale, and there's part of Smoke. I don't know if it's Smoky Vale because there were cattle.
Smokyville, yeah.
But is that the next town?
Yes, Smokyville. That's where you're coming from.
Yeah. But
Going into Mannington now.
Manning Hill. Okay. Can you be on camera?
Funny?
Can I have the camera pointed towards you or no?
No problem.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay,
Mount Salus.
yeah.
I said it right? Mount Salus. I like it here. It's beautiful. I like the bamboo back here.
Okay.
Yes. Oh, bless up. One love. Okay. You heard it now from the locals. We know where we're at. Oh, we got a little store up here. Okay. It's just a nice little community nestled in the hills of Jamaica. And look at the hand painting on the wall over here. See that? I don't know if you can all see that very well. Hopefully you can. Jamaicans are so artistic. I just love it. Just love it. Oh, here's a nice stretch of pavement. Wow. Oh, I'd like to go back up in there. I'd have to be going the other way though. But I think that goes to some houses that kind of overlook the valley over there between here and Smoky Vale, but I don't care about that. No dumping. Yeah, somebody didn't want the dumping into their yard. Wow. This is so cool. So cool. Oh, wow. Oh my goodness. Area man, I want my ladder. My ladder house. Look at this. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. The beauty. The people don't even know. The people do not even, well, no, I shouldn't say that. Of course the people know how beautiful it is, but sometimes they forget. I don't ever want to forget. I'm living my life out here, and I'm looking towards the mountains. I think that's north. I don't know. I don't even know which direction it is. Wow. But it's just, it's breathtaking. It's breathtaking. All right, puppy doggy. That dog don't even bark at me. He not guarding nothing. Unless he got a chicken bone, he not got nothing to guard. Don't have nothing to guard. Wow. Well, I'm glad I saw that lady there to know that that was the name of the town, because I wasn't really sure what the town was called. Little walking paths. You know, some people live, some people don't really can't drive to their house. They just have a little path. Okay. Well, that's these guys. Camera okay? Is the camera okay?
Yeah, man.
Okay, bless up. I'm just driving through. It's a beautiful little town.
Yeah, man.
And the view back over here,
Yeah, man.
it's breathtaking. Yeah, you guys are lucky.
Maximum respect.
Yes, respect. One love. Yes. Bless up.
Yes, Daddy, bless you.
Yeah. Can I have you on video?
Well, sometimes I don't like it.
Okay, I won't do it then. I won't do it. Yeah, I don't need to do it. I'll just do me. I'll just put me on the video. Everybody likes to see me sometimes too.
Yeah.
Respect, brother, respect.
Bless you.
Yeah. This is a nice town, and the views around here.
Yes.
And I came, from Stony, from Smokyville. Yeah. And that bamboo, that drive through that bamboo.
Yes. On that side.
Oh my gosh, it's breathtaking, Really something.
Yes.
So, yeah.
Very big man, I say no.
Hey.
Go on.
Just taking video,
Oh.
Yeah. You want to be on video? No, you don't like it much?
Where I put on the video now?
YouTube.
Oh.
Yeah. But I just mostly taking scenery,
Okay.
But some people don't like to be on video. But I don't mind. And, this man I'm talking to, I'm not showing him because he doesn't really like it too much, Yeah. So, yeah, just driving around and looking at the scenery. Because it's surely beautiful here. You got a beautiful community, and I didn't know it was so much over here. Because I've driven on Manning's Hill Road before.
Yeah.
But I didn't know this was back over in here.
Yeah.
And then somebody
Another part near Mount Salus.
And somebody told me about it I posted a video where I drove down Manning's Hill Road, and they said, oh, you should have turned left off Manning's Hill Road and gone to Mount Salus. And so I thought, you know what? Let me try but I'll come from the other way.
Come from Aries Avenue.
Yeah. That's what I did. Yeah.
Yes.
And it's really, I drove through the bamboo.
Aries Avenue.
Yeah.
Aries Avenue, my born and growing.
Oh, yeah?
Right where you see a sign now put up a cell and place a cell. That's how they come up and turn from Mount Salus. And they close right there.
So you're born and grown right here, right around here.
Yeah, man.
Okay.
Up on the hill up there, sir.
In God's country,
Big property, some Canadian people property.
Oh, okay.
London,
Yeah.
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 Everything, man.
Yeah.
As you to just stay and relax yourself and make two chop and them things.
Yeah. All right, man.
Yeah, man, blessed.
Oh, you farm over here?
Yeah, man.
What kind of farming?
I plant a whole heap of planting and...
Planting? Okay.
And pineapple.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
My wife tried planting some pineapple, and what she did is, she bought some pineapple at the market, and she cut off the top, just the very top,
Yes.
and then she set it in water till it started to root, and then she put it in the ground, so it's going to grow now.
Yeah, man.
I don't know how she figured it out, but she studies all this stuff, so she can learn. She could be a farmer. She retired. She's getting into farming.
Yes.
I said, you should have been a farmer.
Plant something.
Yeah.
Yes. You don't want to sit down and relax. You just want to find something.
Uh-huh, uh-huh,
You can't
uh-huh.
take too much of the organic if the fertilizer full,
Mhm. It's true.
The best thing when you can plant the one thing,
Yeah, it's true.
That better eat.
All right.
Where are you from?
I live in Eastern St. Thomas.
Oh,
Yeah, Eastern St. Thomas.
yeah, I've been through those
In-
places.
In the flat part. It's not pretty mountains like here. I mean, it's hilly,
Yes. I used to work over by Surge Island.
Okay.
Operate crane.
Oh, yeah?
We used to carry crane, go lift the vault and wash them and
Uh-huh.
yeah.
All right.
But the other day I went up to where I go seafood and go on top of seafood there.
Oh, yeah. I
The
can.
river still up in
Yeah, up in there. Yeah. That's pretty country up there.
there past the high school and go.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, it's nice up in there. All right, guys. It was nice chatting with you. Yeah, bless up.
Bless you.
All right. Well, that was, they didn't really want to be on camera, so I didn't put them on camera. But I had a nice chat. This is just a really attractive community. Oh, there's the old church. Here's the old church that And a big breadfruit tree and big, oh, that's a huge ackee tree. Oh my goodness sakes. My goodness. Well, it's just a relaxing drive. Oh, look at over here. That's pretty. Well, I'm still in Mount Salus. Here we have a little wood shop. This is really a nice community. I had no idea. It's really nice here. Well, I got to bring Madge with me because she makes this much more entertaining, and I'm afraid this is going to be boring. I'm afraid this is going to be boring, so, but we'll see.
Turn right onto Mannings Hill Road.
So the one man I talked to was born over in Smoky Vale. I just really like this town. I would totally live here. I mean, I don't know what the people are like for sure, but they seem a little bit standoffish right now, but that's because they don't know me. Hello.
What's up?
Just driving around, you know, taking it easy.
Yeah, you just videoing, right?
Huh?
You're just doing some videoing.
Yeah, I'm just videoing the scenery and the community and everything. It's so pretty here, you know.
That's a good thing you're doing.
Beautiful homes and everything.
Yeah, it's nice environment.
Yeah, and people pretty nice around here too, it seems.
Yeah, it's cool, yeah.
Yeah, yeah.
We'll go.
I'd live here, you know, if I had a chance to get a place here, right here. This is nice.
Oh, yeah, we have the whole of the hills come back smoke here.
See, I'd started in Smoky Vale and then I drove,
come back
through the back way on Aries and then through the bamboo.
That's nice.
It's so pretty. Yeah. Can you be on video?
Me?
Yeah.
Of course, no problem.
Okay, I'll put you on video then.
No problem, bro.
Some of the people I talk to, they don't want to be on video because they're nervous, you know, but not because they got nothing to hide. They just, you know, some people just don't. Yeah.
No problem, brother.
Yeah. So.
No problem. You know what I want to do? I want to buy a drink. So I just eating this. I want to buy something to eat, man. Please, man.
Yeah. Well, I got to go get my wife right now, but then next time. How's that sound?
No problem.
Yeah.
You know, I'm not going to find a silver or nothing.
Yeah.
You can't find nothing.
Yeah. Next time.
You can't find nothing.
Yeah, next time.
Next time.
All right, brother.
Take your time, man.
You know, this doesn't even look like the same place I drove before because I'm going the opposite direction. This is so weird. I'm pretty sure I did a video through here just the other day, but this is going the other direction and I don't even, hey brother, but I don't even, you know, recognize. Oh, now this looks more familiar here. This looks more familiar here. Yeah. Just some nice house. Oh, that's pretty. Hi, Mr. Goat. How you doing? Huh? How you doing? Well, I think I'm about done with my tour here. I am about done with my tour. But you never know. You might run into somebody in. That's a nice yard. That's a nice yard. All right, people, let's go ahead and end this video. Be sure and, oh, I miss Madge being with me. That's too bad, but I'm gonna go home and see her now. So anyway, bless up. Be sure and like, comment, share, comment, and subscribe for the latest from Red Button Journal. Big up yourself, bless up yourself. Later, my friend.